Hello, good day, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, I just want to know what is actually like what this thing is particularly about and what is the name called itself. First of all, what is the name called?
It's a mini soda fountain.
Can you repeat it in a like don't rush.
Mini soda fountain.
Okay. So what is it used for and where can we apply it in real life system? Like where can we apply it? What's the function?
It dispenses soda like Fanta, Coke, and like Sprite, and like just drinks in general. And you use it like in your everyday life at home because to put your soda into your cup. You get like if you don't want to, like if you now have canned drinks now that you cannot close, you just put the canned drink inside here so that instead of it just being open, you can just be dispensing it by little if you can't finish it. That kind of thing.
Okay, so when I tried to on this thing earlier, I noticed that it's vibrating. What are those components, or can you mention just few of those components that's making the thing to be vibrating inside?
It's the motor and the water pump. Like the motor is spinning, that's why it's vibrating.
Okay, can you do this thing in a large scale?
Yeah, probably.
You can do that. Okay, now we can see. If I may ask one more questions, what level are you?
200.
11. Nice to meet you. What department?
Mechanical.
Mechanical engineering. This very good work. So we can see that if a 200 level student can do something like this, so think about when she gets to 500 level. So we need to please increase our knowledge on our creativities as an engineering student. Engineering student, we have to make sure that we work more on ourselves to be creative and innovative. So we need to be innovative. Thank you very much, man, for your time.